Have you ever pondered the secret behind a seamless supply chain? The answer is simple and profound: reliable cargo services. And who better to provide that than Express Cargo Service? Picture this: a testimonial from Jane, a small business owner, who says, "Express Cargo Service has never let me down. Their prompt delivery and excellent customer service have taken a lot of stress off my shoulders." Or take it from Robert, a commercial developer, who says, "In our line of work, time is money. Express Cargo Service has consistently delivered on time, making them a critical partner in our success." Indeed, the key to Express Cargo Service's success lies in its commitment to reliability, speed, and customer satisfaction. Consider the value of reliability. Express Cargo Service knows that your business depends on the timely delivery of your goods. They have a track record of punctuality that helps keep your operations running smoothly. Then, there's the speed. In a world where everything is now, where delay can mean loss, Express Cargo Service prides itself on its swift delivery service. They understand the importance of getting your cargo to its destination as quickly as possible. And let's not forget about customer satisfaction. Express Cargo Service has built its reputation on providing outstanding customer service. They believe that every customer is unique and deserves personalized attention. They ensure that every customer's needs are met and their expectations are exceeded. So, when you need a cargo service that's reliable, fast, and customer-centric, remember Express Cargo Service, a partner you can trust. Reach out via their website, make a call, or send a message through WhatsApp or Facebook. Experience the difference that a top-notch cargo service can make.